In the previous section, we have learned how to create ordered list. In this section, we will learn how to add images in web page. To add images, we have to use img or image tag. It is a self-closing tag. The tag itself is not enough to add images. It requires an attribute. So, what is an attribute? HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the element's behavior. It comes in a name-value pair. When we use image tag, it tells the browser to load an image. But which image? This answer is given by the attribute. Inside the image tag, we use Src attribute. Src stands for source. We know that attributes come in name-value pair. The Src is the name and the location of the image is the value. So when we use image tag in this way, it tells the browser to load the image from image location and display it on the web page. Now, let's create a folder inside the folder we have been working. Name it image. Then go to the web browser and search for some images. Let's search for image of a cat. Click on any of the images you like, then right-click on the image and click on Save Image As. Then locate the folder we have created about a minute ago. Rename it to cat and save it. We will load this image on a web page now. Alright, I'm removing the previous code from the code editor and saving this file in the image folder. Let's name it addingimages.html. Now opening this new web page in the web browser and closing the previous tab. We already know that we have to use img or image tag to add image in the web page. And it will have Src attribute. And the value of the attribute is the location of the image. The image we are talking about and this web page are in the same location. That is why simply putting the name of the image with the extension will be fine. Remember, you must have to use the extension of the image here. Otherwise, it will not work. Now save it and refresh the browser. Here is the image. What if the image is located on some other location? To answer this question, we need to create another folder inside this folder. Let's name it image location. Now search for another image. This time I'm searching for image of a dog. Let's pick this one and save it in the image location folder as dog. Now we will load this image on the web page. We know that the value of the source attribute is the location of the image. Here, the image is located inside image location folder. This slash means inside the image location folder. And the name of the image is dog. and the extension is JPG. Save it and reload the web page. Here it is. The image has been loaded. Sometimes you may want to load images directly from other websites. To do that, you need to put the URL of the image as the value of the source attribute. Let's do it. This time, I'm going to search for photo of a tiger. Let's pick this one. Right-click on the picture and copy the link. Then paste the link directly here. Save it and reload the web page. Here it is. The image is on our web page. If we need to change the size of the image, what can we do? I believe you could guess the answer. We need to use some attribute. Yes, to resize the images, we have to use width and height attribute. Let's see how to use them. First, write the name of the attribute, which is width, and set the value. For example, say 100. Now the browser will automatically scale the image to 100 pixel width and will maintain the ratio with the height. If we specify the height equals 100, then browser will not maintain the height and width ratio, instead will resize the image by 100 and 100 pixel. If you want to change the position of the image, you can use align attribute. Let's see how to use it. The name of the attribute is align, and the value, if we want to take it to the right, will be right. Save it and refresh. Here you go. The image has been moved to the right side. Okay, we have learned enough about the image tag. I hope you find this section very interesting. And I promise the next one is going to be even more interesting. It is about HTML forms.